Hi friends, I am Natalia at Mom's Dish. We are using one of my very favorite tools in the kitchen today. I love using an air fryer, and today we're gonna make barbecue pork ribs. You'll be surprised, it actually comes together in under 30 minutes. So easy to make. They're juicy on the outside while crispy on the outside. Amazing recipe, you will love it. Let's make it. I want to quickly talk about all the ingredients. So we have some pork ribs right here, and we're going to slice them apart in a second, and then spices. I am using some black pepper. We have some salt. There's some onion powder and paprika, and then we're going to coat it at the end with some barbecue sauce. Use your favorite. We also have a recipe on momsdish.com. You can get that there, but any barbecue sauce that you love is perfect here in the recipe. And if you want measurements, they're going to be down below because you don't want to write this down as I'm talking right now. I'm going to start by pre-slicing the back ribs. So we're just going to set all the spices aside. We don't need them yet. And I actually love to wear gloves. You'll see me use gloves basically in all the videos where I work with meats. I get them on Amazon, a giant box of them. It's just convenient, especially for us girls that get nails done, right? Okay, so here's the thing. Your pork ribs sometimes will have this like lining on the inside. I don't know the proper term for it. So if you see that, just rip it off. It easily comes off. And then from there, it's gonna be really easy to cut it apart. You wanna find a line that you can easily find a soft spot. Like on this side, I can feel a bone. So I'm just gonna go between the bone and just go around. And here you go. Very easy. You do want a sharp knife, but they're easy to take apart. So just find that bone, go from that side and just slice it. Gonna repeat this, and I'm using about 2 pounds of pork ribs here. Also, another note, just use pork ribs that are similar in size because your air frying time will stay the same and it's just gonna be even cooking all around. Okay, I'm gonna go with all the spices and then we're gonna rub them in a second. This smoky paprika will give you so much flavor on the pork ribs. And then I just like rub them all together to get all the spices all around evenly. It smells really good already. I love the smell of paprika, combination of onion powder, yum. We won't be needing this sauce, so I'm just gonna set it aside for now, but here's what we're gonna do. And one of the things, depending on your air fryer, your timing, your cooking will be slightly different. It's really hard to measure all those things, but here's the thing. One of the biggest tips that I'll give you is never overcrowd your air fryer basket. So I like to place them, and sometimes it takes 2 batches, but for our family of 4, this basket is like perfect for us. And if you are looking for a good air fryer, I do love Arcosori air fryer. I've been using their brand for a while. I am placing the pork ribs on the inside, just in one layer, leaving slight space in between each one. They're a little tight in here, but that's okay because they do shrink slightly as they cook. I do want some air around, but this is good. Okay, we're gonna pop this in the air fryer for about 20 minutes at 370 degrees. You do want to flip it halfway through the cooking time. So I'm gonna set it to 370 for 20 minutes. And then halfway through, I'll come back and just flip them over. So they have nice and crispy edges all around. We're at right about 10-minute mark, actually just turned 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip them. Look at this actually. Oh my goodness, they already look so good. If you like a dry rub, you can just basically dig in just a little bit more time. I love the barbecue sauce, so we are gonna rub them with a little bit of barbecue sauce in a second, but I'm gonna flip them over so they cook evenly all around. Okay, so our Jacob he has basically what, Tim? Tim, my cameraman is right there. 2 more years of high school? So 2 more years of high school, and once he goes to college, we're gonna send him off with an air fryer. I really think that every college student needs an air fryer because all you need is this, and it does everything. And if you need ideas for air fryer recipes, we have so many. on our YouTube channel. So just click around, look for it, and we have them. I am gonna just toss them with some sauce. So I have my favorite barbecue sauce here, just coating them, and we're gonna pop them in the air fryer again for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much cooking time we need and the finishing touches. Just gonna toss them together. Just rub it in. We're gonna place them back in the air fryer with that sauciness. We're gonna pop this back in at 370 for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna check on the temperature and cook it until it's at least 165 degrees. Our ribs are ready. We won't be needing this air fryer, so I'm gonna set it aside. They look so good, you guys. Look how good that looks. I'm gonna move them to a serving dish. You know, we're pretending we're like at the barbecue place, so I'm just gonna line it so it doesn't get messy. Here's what I love about the air fryers, total side note, but here's what I love about the basket air fryers. You can pour in water and let this sit, and it's just so easy to clean. You know how people have those like mini air fryers that look like an oven almost? They're harder to clean. I love this one. So just pour in water. I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'll be ready to clean it whenever I'm ready. Or pop this in the dishwasher. It's perfection. I love that. If you want to, you can add some extra barbecue sauce on top. Just gives them that extra glaze. You come here. You. Ta-da! Both of you are here.
Oh, it's just gonna be messy.
It's gonna be messy, but these ribs are kind of like juicy on the outside, crispy on the and vice versa. Juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. They're not gonna be like the smoked ribs that fall off the bone, but I love them so much.
It's gonna be a messy situation.
I know the first weeks when I was trying this recipe, boys were asking for them every day because they're really, really good.
Oh man!
I love your like
This
sound
is
effects.
I cannot believe this is done
You're
in
so
an
dirty.
air fryer.
You're dirty.
My goodness. This is worth to be dirty for.
Oh my gosh.
Told you it's gonna be messy. Wow, this is good. Now, forgive me if I'm wrong.
You're so dirty.
I think this is no worse than an oven, if not better.
Well, we don't make them in the oven. Well, we do actually.
Well,
I
whatever you
don't.
make.
This is way better. Man, we're both dirty. I think we need to wash our faces.
This is gonna be dirty. Oh, just gonna enjoy this. This is delicious. Like, I'm gonna get messy because who cares? You know what? You could just stay busy there wiping my face.
You guys.
Enjoy it.
Can I talk? You enjoy it. You guys, you should try this recipe. If you have an air fryer, I hope I convinced you enough to make this recipe. It's delicious. It is crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. You need to make this recipe, and we'll see you again with more crazy easy recipes and an air fryer.
That's right. How did you make the sauce? Did you cheat? You cheated.
Instacart.
This is not much different than what we ordered the other time.
The barbecue place?
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is better.
It's more fresh. This is delicious.
Every college kid needs an air
I'm
fryer.
literally gonna be an evangelist for an air fryer, no joke.
Evangelist. You're so dirty. Bye.